This week you located a lot of great stories, and I want to thank Ashley for pointing this out because I didn't know about it, and it is a pretty cool story. Please read what Ashley has written. Well, Ashley, that's very insightful, and I agree. So I took a look at the ad links that were provided, and I can see what was happening with him leaving, joining a protest. Not a good thing, and it led to Pepsi's corporate issues. Thank you.